Hey guys, it's Willie here, and today we're going to do an upgrade to the V. Now, if you're familiar with the V's, you know that they have a pretty bad problem with the intercooler system, always having air in them. You have to constantly bleed them, which I think I already made a video about it, but today we're going to fix that. Caddy Issues offers a solution for that. I'll send you this the server that you put in there. It gets rid of that valve, and it's self-bleeding, so you don't have to keep doing it over and over again. Is that instructions? We don't need that. All right, let's get to it. Now, this is what it comes in the box. It's the tank, the hoses, the plug for the valve, and some clamps. All right, first we get the engine cover out, and then we get this out the way. Just loosen up this 8mm little hose. Just push fitting, and then it comes right off. And then we figure out the rest. I think I need to disconnect that one, which is this one. I think you're supposed to flip it, cut it a certain way, and then the tank just mounts directly onto the pump. So we'll see. All right, guys, the hose is out, and I guess I'll look into instructions because I kind of need to know where to cut it. But I know it's, you know, you cut it and then you flip it, and it's gonna be something like that. All right, the tank is in there. As you can see, you can't really see that much, but it's already on there. And I think it just has a little thing that it holds there. It's a little slot, so you just connect this thing, move it out the way, pop it in there, connect it back. Now all I have to do is figure out the hose situation, see how much to cut it, where to cut it, and then we'll be rolling. And there you have it. Might need a little bit of more trimming to get this. It's not a bad angle, probably could be a little bit better. I'll mess with it, but pumps down there, fully attached, trimmed. I just have to put it back together and have some coolant. Don't forget to take the bleeder valve out. Keep the O-ring. The plug comes with one, but just in case you ever need it. And here's Luca helping me. You doing a good job, bud? Hell yeah, brother. And there you go. It's all good to go. Just need to fill it up with coolant and let her eat.
It's a TSB.
And this, I need to
it goes fast.
Down there. What'd you say, Luca? Dude, don't step on the carbon fiber lip. How kids say it'll be fun, they say. There you go, guys. I need to put a little bit more coolant. Oh yeah, because it's low, but I just wanted to turn it on, make sure there's no leaks, and it's done. Hell yeah. All right, guys, everything's done. I filled it up, added some additive, I think it's the name, to keep the temperatures lower. Added a little bit of distilled water because it's West Texas. I don't need no coolant here, and I already have some in there, so it's going to be like a mix instead. Hopefully it cools better. Well, so for now, it cools better just sitting and idling. It's almost 10 degrees cooler just idling, so I'm sure once running it, it's going to carry on, and it's a faster cooling time. And before I did this on just idling, it would sit around 135, 136, you know, usually, and sometimes even higher. Right now, you know, it's in the mid 126, 128, 129, just idling. So so far it's already cooling more. It's a little cooler, and yeah, and it's additive. And I didn't use the whole thing because it was already used, but I'd probably use good 10 to 12 ounces. So was it right? Was it wrong? I don't know, but it's not gonna hurt nothing. Yeah, there you go, guys. It works, and we'll do some testing once the wind dies down and everything, and we'll do some pulls and see how good of a cool it stays.